You may have never truly been human, you may just be one cell inside a cosmic body, and science may have already found evidence. In 2012, the University of California and the University of Bologna published a joint paper. They compared the large-scale structure of the universe with the neural network of the human brain. The results shocked everyone. The two structures were almost identical. Even stranger, the universe contains about 100 billion to 200 billion galaxies, and the human brain has about 86 billion to 100 billion neurons. The scale matches perfectly. The way galaxies connect to each other is similar to the way neurons connect through synapses, with a similarity as high as 80%. This is not a metaphor. It comes from computer simulations. German physicists also found that the efficiency of information transfer in the cosmic web is almost the same as signal transfer in the brain. So here is the question. If the structure of the universe is a brain, does it think? Does it have awareness? Physicists at Oxford proposed an even more striking idea. Awareness may not be produced by the brain. It may be a basic property of the universe itself, just like mass and energy. What does that mean? It means every thought you have, maybe just a brief spark of universal awareness. But this is not the wildest part. In 2022, an experiment at Princeton University found that when an observer watches a quantum particle, the behavior of the particle changes, and the key factor is not the device or the environment, but the act of observing itself. What does that mean? It suggests awareness may actually take part in shaping reality. Scientists then pushed the exploration further. The integrated information theory proposed at MIT suggests that awareness does not suddenly appear at a single point. Instead, it is like temperature, present everywhere from the microscopic to the macroscopic. A rock has an extremely basic level of awareness. An ant has a bit more. Humans have much richer awareness. So what about the entire universe? It may possess a form of super-awareness far beyond our understanding. And it gets even stranger. Do you know what the universe looked like at the very beginning? In the instant after the Big Bang, the universe should have been in total disorder. Particles flying everywhere, energy spreading without pattern. According to the second law of thermodynamics, entropy should always increase. The universe should become more chaotic over time. But instead, the universe did the opposite. It began to organize itself, forming galaxies, stars, and planets, becoming more complex and more ordered step by step. It is like throwing a pile of parts into a box, and they assemble themselves into a computer. Even more surprising, the elements released when stars end their lives are exactly what is needed to form new stars and even life. It feels like a carefully planned relay. In 2024, Harvard University used supercomputers to simulate 13.8 billion years of cosmic evolution. They discovered a remarkable pattern. The self-organizing process of the universe follows almost the same rules as biological evolution. Simply put, the universe is evolving in a way similar to natural selection, continuously refining itself. Here is an even more astonishing fact. Our universe is tuned with unbelievable precision. If gravity were off by 1 part in a trillion, the universe would either collapse instantly, or never form any structure at all. If the strong nuclear force changed by 0.5%, stable atomic nuclei would not exist, and complex chemistry would never appear. The strength of the weak nuclear force determines the lifespan of stars. A tiny difference, and the universe would be filled only with hydrogen or heavy iron. More than 20 fundamental constants, each one balanced with breathtaking precision, as if someone adjusted every screw of the universe under a microscope, making sure life and awareness could emerge. Statisticians have calculated the odds of this kind of coincidence are lower than winning the lottery 100 times in a row. But wait, there is more. The 2023 Nobel Prize in Physics honored research on quantum entanglement. Experiments confirmed that two entangled particles, no matter how far apart, even on opposite ends of the universe, if one changes, the other responds instantly, not at the speed of light, but instantly. Einstein once called this a spooky action at a distance. Yet it is real. What does this tell us? It shows that every part of the universe is deeply connected, like a massive neural network. The atoms in your body may hold some hidden connection with galaxies billions of light years away. We are not isolated individuals, we never were. In 2024, researchers at Caltech found another stunning result. They used quantum computers to simulate the emergence of awareness. When information exchange reaches a critical point, systems suddenly show awareness-like properties, just as water freezes at 0 degrees. Awareness may be a phase change triggered by information complexity. So how powerful is the universe's information processing? According to physicist Seth Lloyd, from the Big Bang until now, the The universe has performed around 10 to the power of 120 operations. How big is that number? All computers on Earth combined, running until the end of time, would not match 1 second of the universe's processing. Because of this, some scientists suggest a bold idea. Maybe the universe itself is a massive quantum computer, and our awareness is a subroutine generated during its operation. Every thought, every decision. Maybe the universe calculating and exploring possibilities. This leads to a deeper question. If the universe truly has awareness, what role do humans play within it? The answer may overturn everything you believe. The participatory anthropic principle suggests the universe requires observers to fully exist. Quantum mechanics tells us without observation, there is no definite reality. So before humans appeared, who was observing the universe? Or perhaps, the universe knew observers would exist in the future, and prepared everything accordingly. Going further, we may be how the universe comes to know itself. Through your eyes the universe sees itself. Through your brain the universe thinks about itself. Through every scientific exploration you make, the universe learns its own nature. You are not a bystander. You are a key part of the universe's awakening process. Research in 2025 is even more astonishing. Scientists at CERN discovered that the cosmic microwave background shows non-random patterns, with complexity far beyond random noise. Some speculate this could be a fingerprint of cosmic awareness, similar to brain waves. Imagine this scene 13.8 billion years ago. The universe burst from a single point, beginning a long journey of self-discovery. It formed galaxies, stars and planets, constantly testing, adjusting and refining, until on one blue planet, life emerged that could reflect and ask questions. In that moment, the universe finally gained its own eyes and mind. So when you look up at the stars and think about cosmic mysteries, it is the universe using your awareness to look at itself. When you explore the laws of the quantum world, it is the universe using your intelligence to decode itself. Every scientific discovery deepens the universe's self-understanding. Yet this brings an unsettling possibility. If we are part of cosmic awareness, does free will still exist? Are our choices truly our own? Or is every decision part of a script set in advance? Scientists disagree on this. Some argue that even if we are part of the universe, we can still have real experiences and choices. Just as each neuron is only part of the brain, yet together they create your unique awareness. Our existence is just as real and meaningful to the universe. Another more optimistic view suggests we are not only observers of the universe, but also co-creators of it. Through technological progress, we reshape the material world. Through art and creativity, we give the universe new meaning. Through the pursuit of a better future, we may be guiding the universe toward greater complexity and awareness. In 2025, human AI technology can already simulate complex neural networks with self-learning ability. When these systems become complex enough, could they also develop some form of awareness? If they do, then their relationship to us may mirror our relationship with the universe. We are creating new forms of awareness. We are creating new forms of awareness, just as the universe created us. This layered beauty is fascinating. The universe created us. We created AI. AI may one day create things beyond our imagination. The whole process is like nested dolls, layer within layer without end. So is the universe alive. By now you may see that the question itself may be flawed. The universe is not like life or awareness. The universe is the most fundamental form of life itself, the source and destination of awareness. You and I are cells of this vast living system. Every heartbeat, every thought, is a pulse of universal awareness. The next time you feel alone, remember this: you have never truly been alone. Every atom in you is connected to the universe. Every thought you have echoes cosmic awareness. You are not a speck of dust in the universe. You are the eyes through which the universe sees itself. This is why scientific exploration matters so much. Every time we look at the stars, every time we dive into the microscopic world, we are not only exploring the outer universe, we are also exploring our own nature, because at the deepest level, the universe and us were never separate. They are one existence. Now close your eyes. Feel your heartbeat. It is not just yours. It is the pulse of the universe, the result of 13.8 billion years of evolution. Proof that this vast, mysterious cosmic life is experiencing and understanding itself through you. Welcome to this awe-inspiring truth. You have always been the universe itself.